Brothers, as you have noticed, we have climbed up the mountain upon those rocks, and as we came upon the top of the mountain, as you can see, there's some droppings of the camel here, and also there's a little pathway. So these pathways upon the mountains are very ancient pathways from the time of the Abbasid Khilafat, etc. So what would happen is that when small caravans would come and they want to take a strange pathway, that they would continuously following these paths. For example, it was very difficult for us to climb, but for a camel is not as difficult. And this is one of the amazing things of a camel, that the camel will choose his own path, and once it climbs through a certain path of the mountain, it will continue climbing through the same path, and that will form these types of roads as well. So in the Khilafat Abbasiyah, they had actually formed a miniature road upon these mountains. But obviously over time, when people started using other means of transport, these roads were wiped out, and these paths were no longer being utilized. Also, we see behind us here is the idkhir, which we find in the ahadith where the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when Mus'ab bin Umayr radiallahu anhu passed away, and they were lowering him in the grave, there wasn't enough cloth to cover. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, cover his face with cloth and his feet with this idkhir grass. Also in the time of in Fath Makkah, when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the khutbah at Hajjatul Wada, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam also mentioned about that it is now haram to pluck anything from Makkah. You can't chop any tree, you can't take any plant. So Abbas radiallahu anhu said, O Prophet of Allah, exclude idkhir, because we use this for a lot of things. It has a good smell as well. And one of the famous poems of Bilal radiallahu anhu, when he used to be in Medina, sometimes he used to miss Makkah, and then he used to say, Ala layta sha'ri hal abitanna laylatan bimakkata wa indi idkhiru wa tafilu. That I wish that a time will come when I can go back to Makkah, I can relax on the side of the mountain, and I can enjoy from the grass of idkhir. So this is the idkhir grass. Thereafter we continued towards on the mountainous path. From far we could see a huge rocky mountain, which is known as Jabal Akha, which is known as Sakhra Akha, and this it's mentioned in the hadith that the Prophet ﷺ had passed by this rocky mountain upon the hijrah. So we made our way towards there,